The drainage hose for your Solis is stored in this compartment just ahead of the passenger side rear tire. Twist the latch and withdraw the hose. The Solis has a gray water waste tank. It takes the drain from the shower and the galley sink. The dump for the gray water tank is located here on the driver's side of the coach. It has a cover and a handle for a knife valve. Go to an RV dump station. These can be typically found at campgrounds, some rest areas, and often truck stops. First, remove the cover, twist the dump hose so that these ears lock onto the lugs on the dump. Insert the free end of the hose into the receptacle at the dump station, and then pull the knife valve out. Wait for the tank to drain. You may want to have your hand or your foot on the dump hose to control it as the fluid drains. When that's done, close the knife valve, twist off your dump hose, and twist on your cap. This is a good time to rinse out the inside of your dump hose and then return it to its storage location.